Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. This video is a DIY on how to clean worn shoes to make them look like new. Obviously, some shoes are too far gone, so you have to pick and choose which ones still have life left in them. I bought this pair of 2002 women's Nike Dunk Low Pro Chile Reds off eBay for $80, and they were pretty dirty, but the leather wasn't cracking or damaged, and the soles weren't worn down, so I knew I could clean these up and rock them. The first thing I did was remove the laces and put them in a water bottle with warm water and a little Dawn dish detergent. I let them soak and then shook the water bottle on and off for 15 minutes or so. I then cleaned the uppers with a sneaker cleaner and soft bristle brush, using a microfiber towel to wipe off the foam. I only use a hard bristle brush on outsole so I don't damage the leather, especially if the shoe's old. You can use any sneaker cleaner like Prep Protect, Angelus, Jason Mark, or Reshoevn8r. I removed the insoles and scrubbed them with sneaker cleaner as well. If the midsole has stubborn stains that won't come off with sneaker cleaner, you can use Mr. Clean's Magic Eraser. You can also use acetone, but be really careful not to get it on the upper because it'll strip the color. To reduce the toe box creases, stuff it with a shirt or towel, place a damp washcloth or shirt over it, and iron it out. I had my iron on the hottest setting with steam. Do this a few times and always check the leather after each time. Here's the final result. I think they came out really nice. If you don't mind wearing used shoes, you can find some gems on eBay. Lastly, if the inside of the shoes still smell after you clean them, stuff them with fabric softener and let them air out outside. Leave a comment and let me know your latest steal, new or used, and thanks for watching.